April 29th, 2017. Might be able to see the river way over there. See, look at it, it's all washed out. See what I'm saying? Joe Hamilton heading down Hogeye Run. I just went up there and looked at it, and it's pretty wicked. The trick is when you come around that corner, it shrinks, so we're in a hell of a trough. There ain't any big waves until you get about down there where I stopped, and then the trough hits where me and Dave dumped, and it is it'll swamp my boat. If you don't, there's a little window, probably about half the width of a little more than half the width of your kayak, where we'll make it without taking on a lot of water.
I guess if you make it, then I should make it, right?
If I dump, all I'm going to do is jump on and grab the back of my boat and float right down like I did last time me and Dave dumped in the same spot.
Okay, this is gonna be fucking fun. Yeah, that way you can pick me up on the way by if I'm out, if I'm over. Great. I could see me taking on a shit ton anyway. Just because. Holy shit balls. Here comes Chris. Fucking great video, dude. I hit the first ones, are coming, water's coming over, and then that big one fucking goes boom, and it just goes waka. I mean, it's just totally over me. And it just bounces right back up. It goes boing, boing, boing. It bounces up. As long as I was balanced, it was. Woo!
Yes!
Yeah! The second one or the first set?
No, the big one. That's
the one big one?
That's the one me and Dave dumped on. But it wasn't that high. It just
I hit it perfect. I came around, hit it perfect, and went boom, and hit right in the bottom of that fucking hole and just went whoosh.
I hit it square.
And that was full. It was full of water. I had to just dump it out. Them holes need to be bigger.
Well, that's the most wicked one on the whole path. Yeah!